Are you someone who leads an active lifestyle and needs a phone that can keep up? Maybe you work in construction or love spending time outdoors and worry about breaking your phone. Well, the DOOGEE V31 GT might be your perfect match. So, let's jump into 5 reasons why you should buy the DOOGEE V31 GT. The DOOGEE V31 GT is built tough. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. So no matter what adventure you throw at it, this phone can handle it. Take it hiking, camping, kayaking, you name it. The V31 GT can take the beating. Accidents happen, but with this phone you won't have to worry about a cracked screen or water damage from a surprise downpour. We all hate running out of juice at the worst possible moment. The DOOGEE V31 GT solves that problem with a monstrous 10,800 mAh battery. This phone will last you for days on a single charge, even with heavy use. Whether you're on a long camping trip or a busy work week, you can stay connected without having to worry about finding an outlet. Plus, with 66 watts fast charging, you can get back up and running in no time. Let's talk cameras. It boasts a quad camera system on the back, including a powerful 50 megapixels main sensor. This phone takes incredible photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. There's also a 24 megapixels night vision sensor for capturing those nighttime adventures, and an interesting 8 megapixels thermal camera that lets you see heat signatures in your environment. Don't let the rugged design fool you. The DOOGEE V31 GT packs a punch under the hood. It's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor and a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM. This combination means you can run demanding games and applications with ease. Multitasking is a breeze, and you'll never have to worry about lag or slowdowns. These days, many phones come loaded with bloatware and unnecessary apps. That's not the case with the DOOGEE V31 GT. This phone runs a clean stock version of Android 13. You get all the latest features and security updates from Google without any unwanted clutter. If you're looking for a rugged phone with a long battery life, a powerful camera system, and smooth performance, the DOOGEE V31 GT is a great option to consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.